Highlowluxxe, where luxury and style are attainable. Today we are doing a luxury haul. It's been a while. I want to share the things I've gotten from my wish list for 2021. Some things I just got for spring. There's a little bit of everything. Sunglasses, clothes, shoes, bags. I've gotten some good things. So hopefully if you were thinking about any of these items, I can tell you my thoughts on them, what I think so far, how I feel about them, if I love them, all that jazz. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so YouTube knows that you enjoy my content and they'll share it with more people. So without any more rambling, let's get right into the haul. First, we'll address what I'm wearing, which is this Gucci hat. If you follow me on TikTok, I did a keep or return to see just what you guys' thoughts were. I love hats. I don't wear them often online, but in just regular everyday life, running errands, I love hats. I saw this one and I thought that's super cute. I don't have anything like it. I got it from Farfetch, and it also comes in a bunch of colors. I will be popping up like the prices and all that, but it comes in a bunch of colors too. But I just thought this was like the classic print. It'll never go out of style. It looks vintage now, so it'll always kind of like feel vintage, and I like that about it. I also got the size large because I have a wig on, and I tried it on without the wig too, and it fits fine, and I love it so far. So I wore it today. I also need to wash my wig, so that's also why I wore it. But moving on, we'll do shoes. I have 3 pairs of shoes. They're all different. I talked about spring shoes in my kind of spring essentials and kind of the types to have. And one I talked about was this type of sandal, which is like a mule. And I have the old version of these in cream. I'll pop it up over here. And I needed a shoe this color. So I have a few accessories that are this color, and I never had a shoe to match. So when I saw they came out with this new version, these are by Gia Couture times Pernigel Testbeck. I believe she's a German influencer. But they are super cute. This is the most comfortable shoe I have. It just feels like butter. This one might feel even more comfortable than last year's version. They're both still available. So of course, everything will be linked below if you're interested, but this is like the cognac color. But these also come in like a cream, they come in white, and they have so many different versions. Absolutely love. So this is just kind of like a good, I feel like, classic staple. Great heel height. Like this is like a dressed up shoe when you don't really want to dress up. You don't want to feel overdressed. If you want more details, go watch my spring essentials video. I talk all about this style of shoe, but very excited that I got those. And I got those from Farfetch. The next pair of shoes are another pair of Chanel Dad sandals. I know some of you hate these and some of you love these. I love them because comfort is one of the most important things to me. And I got this, what is this, wicker? I don't know, the material. In this kind of like light color. I'll pop up some pictures. It has pearl details, super cute. I believe these run true to size. I got a 38 in these. And my black leather ones, I think I got a 37.5, but because they're leather, they kind of stretch out. So when I tried those on, I sized down half the size, but these fit pretty good. And I just got my regular size. And these are just, either you like the ugly shoe trend or you don't. But I love these. I actually had an essay in DC where we used to live. She reached out to me. Well, I reached out to her first to ask her about them. They didn't have them, and then she let me know when she found them. And I ordered them from her. So I love these. I love them personally. And then lastly is a showstopper. I don't have a ton of heels, but I like when I find a heel that's special, I like to have it just in case I ever need it. And it's in the color of the season, which is green. These are a Minawati. I think this is the Gilda heel. Of course, I'll put it on the screen. It's like all of these crystals. Listen, these heels, this is also extremely comfortable. I finally wore my pink pair, I think 2 weeks ago to brunch, and I was a little worried because I hadn't worn heels in a while. And I was just walking through the restaurant like nobody's business. And it was this. I felt so supported. I felt so secure. So that really pushed me to get another pair of these. These are a little different than the ones I have. The ones I have are just the back out. The other ones, these kind of like tie up. And I just love them. Resist. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like, kind of. Moving on. So those are the only shoes. 2 pair of sunglasses. The first are from Jacquemus, and these were from Farfetch. Sorry, they're a little dirty already. but this is what they look like. Oh, they're so cute. They're a little extra. I mean, they're a lot extra. Hopefully I can try them on okay with this hat. Let's see. This is how they look. You have to think about it with the hat not there. I'll pop up the picture from the website, but I love sunglasses. They make an outfit. They're a finisher. Most of my looks are pretty simple. So when I saw these, I just thought, I love that you can still kind of like see through them. I love them. I love them. They're not easy to wear. They won't go with everything, but I have enough sunglasses that I don't need that. So I just wanted, now I'm just trying to find like special pairs. And then the other pair are also orange, which is interesting. And I got these are from Gucci, and I got these on Shopbop. And they have like a little purple center there. I just thought that was really cute. And aviators are one of my favorite styles. So I got these, let's see. And that's what those look like. Again, they both look weird with the hat, but hopefully you're seeing pictures. But I love the orange tint on these. They're just like, oh, so cute. So cute. So yeah, these are Shopbop. I believe these were Farfetch. Again, not classics, but kind of like fun pairs that make a statement and are just different. So I like that bubble. One more accessory. I'm not sure if I showed this already, but I did check this off of my luxury wish list. So this was the first thing that I got from my luxury wish list, which is the V logo belt by Valentino. It was worth every penny. I wanted this for a while, and I wasn't sure how much I would wear it, but I love it. It's a outfit maker. The fact that it's reversible, so mine is black on one side and tan on one side, which is exactly what I needed. Again, I've been trying to get this color more in my wardrobe, and I actually have another thing that is this color, because it's just perfect for summer. It's perfect with like white, it just pops against like whites and tans and creams and all that. So love this. I got the biggest version because I don't really wear like belts like in belt loops, like with pants. I don't usually wear belts that way. I just don't personally like it on me. I'm pretty short. I already have a short torso. I feel like it cuts me off. But I do love to cinch in an item like a blazer or a coat or a dress. And this is perfect for that. So flattering. So highly recommend this. But if you were curious, I did check this off of my wish list. Okay, next up, clothing. I have two items here, and I am in love with them. They are the perfect summer pieces, but they were a bit of a splurge. So that's why I'm including them in this video instead of a normal haul, because I'm sure you can find something similar. Of course, I will try to link dupes below. So they're both by Zimmerman, I'm pretty sure, yes, who makes just like the best summer staples pieces to me. They're like statement makers, but they're also classics and simple. So the first one, I will of course pop up a picture. I've already worn this. It's like this like frilly white crop top. I love crop tops, especially in the summer, because I like to wear high-waisted pants and shorts and stuff like that. So this kind of gives a good balance. It makes it feel girly, and it's just so much detail. Like, it's just so pretty. I love it. It's open in the back, and it just has like these little ties. Like, I love it so much. I know I love something when I want to wear it as soon as I take it out of the box, and that's what I did with this one. And then the next item I really went back and forth about because it's so simple, but I'm so glad I got it because it's timeless, it's classic. I feel like my mom had something like this in like the 90s, and I just love it. It is this little jumpsuit. It's linen, but it's like the whole back is out, and it goes around the neck, and it comes with a little belt, and it's shorts, but the shorts are like perfectly tailored and flattering because they, you know, skim over your thigh and give you room to breathe. It's just perfect. Of course, you should be seeing a picture, but I love this. Like, I cannot wait to wear this with like these heels and a little bag, and just, I do invest in like clothing pieces that are more of a splurge. I want it to be something I want to bring out year after year and be excited about. I try to think of the long term. So next up, oh, one more clothing piece, lounge wear piece. It's something I consider luxury. So it's not super expensive, but it feels luxurious, and I wanted to share because I feel like I've shared on every like platform except YouTube. And it is these Skims robes. Again, I'll put up a picture, but I never purchased anything from Skims, and this was my first thing because I love sleepwear, I love loungewear, and I love robes. I have a lot of robes, and I've always been looking for a long satin robe, like all the way to the floor. Super dramatic, very like Dynasty vibes. and they're very hard to find. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, let me just try that out. I mean, the marketing for this little launch was also kind of a vibe. It was super 90s, so that got me as well. So I was like, let me just, you know what? I'm just gonna buy something. I can always return it. Hopefully the quality is good. When I took this out of the box, this is like the golden brownie one. When I took it out of the box, I literally put it on, sat down at my computer, and ordered the silver. That's how. It's amazing. It has pockets, it feels great, it's the perfect length, it has the perfect amount like to tie around you and like have more than enough room, but not too much. Cost per wear is definitely there. So wanted to share those because I highly recommend. Okay, last but not least are the handbags. Sure, that's, yes, that's everything. Okay, so I don't know what order to go in. I'll just go with probably the most popular one for now, which is the Coach Tabby bag. Oh, isn't she a stunner? So of course this was not on my luxury wish list. I don't even think it was out yet and I didn't know anything about it. But I have not been able to stop thinking about this bag. For the past few weeks, I've talked about it a lot on Instagram stories and I was going back and forth with color. But I shared in one of my last vlogs that I sold my Dior saddle bag, which was this color, and I didn't have a bag this color. So it made the most sense to go with this kind of cream, off-white, beigey color. It goes with some shoes that I have, and it's just a nice neutral that I had a gap in my collection with. So this bag is everything. It's worth all the hype. It's worth all the hype. This feels like the quality of Bottega, which is why I fell in love with those bags, because the quality is amazing. The leather, it's so supple. They just, like once you touch it, you're just like, wow, I'm blown away. Same way, same feeling with this bag. Like there's no stuffing in this. There's nothing in here. And it's just plush. It feels just supple and amazing. Comes with a long strap that I have in a drawer, but it also comes with this short strap here. And then this chain, if you watched a different vlog, my DC vlog, came on a Zara bag that I bought. And it's just, I mean, so this is how I'm going to wear it, I'm pretty sure. Because this strap to me, I wish it was a little shorter. I just like top handle bags, but since it's not, for the shoulder, I just like a little more room. So this is the vibe. Let me give you some shoulder action. Let's see. Oh, I'll insert a clip. Oh. Also, my outfit will be linked below too. Totally forgot to mention it, but I have on Good American. I'm working with them on Instagram, and I just wanted something super casual and comfy today, so I have on bike shorts and a little hoodie, and I love it. It's so cute and comfy. So, I couldn't recommend this more. Value for money. It's immaculate. Oh, look how good the chain looks with it. It's extra, but you guys know I'm extra. Also, I have been talking about this. Of course, I showed it in my stories on Instagram. I've been talking about it so much. And someone told me that they're coming out with minis, or the minis are already out, but they're not online. They're in stores. They'll be online on the 15th, I believe. So if you were interested, but you feel like maybe this is a little big, there will be minis. But absolutely love, even just like this. Oh. Okay, let's move on. Next up is a bag I always said I would never buy. And here we are. I told you I was looking for more cognac things, and I literally was putting an outfit together, and I was like, I just need a really cute, tiny bag. Like that's what I need. I'm wearing it with the V logo belt. The dress is kind of like, has a lot of volume. I need something like super small and minimal. And I said, this is what I need. Like in my head, this was the final piece to the outfit. So I looked it up just to see if they came in this color. Like my idea was that I needed this little bag, but in the color I needed. So I was like, well, let me see if they make it in that color. And they did. So here we are. It does fit. This is the inside. It does fit my card holder, which is really all I carry. Of course, I'll carry my phone in my hand. It is super impractical. I got it from Farfetch, but it's exactly what I needed. It's exactly what I needed. It's exactly what I needed. I know. but it's so cute. It also comes with a super cute strap. I didn't bring it with me, but I'll pop up a picture. But this one comes with a canvas, really thick crossbody strap, which also made it even cuter to me. I know. Go ahead and judge me, it's fine. Last but not least is a unicorn. This bag has quickly become my favorite in my collection. Second to the Chanel 19, this is my favorite handbag style. I've been looking forward for at least a year and a half. But it's not new. So I'm just always on the pre-loved sites and I always just Google it. You know, I always just type in fashion file like, let me check the puzzles. It's a puzzle bag. And finally, I went on fashion file and there it was. Are you dying? You are, you're probably dead. I don't know. It is just all of the best colors. All of the best colors. It's this rich cognac and then this like chocolatey brown, almost looks burgundy. And baby pink, my favorite color. Look at the back. It's still, I just took this out of the back. Look at the back, oh my God. A little pink tab. And then, oh my God. Do you see? It's just, again, if you have ever been considering just this bag in general, please go get it today. It is so easy to carry. It's so comfortable. It's very indescript and people don't really know what it is. It's not super showy, but it's also special. Every time I carry one of my puzzles, I get compliments like, oh my God, it's such a cool bag. Men, women, like, wow, that's super cool because it's interesting and it's the insane details and the craftsmanship and the leather. It just looks amazing, but it's also not shouting. Like, look at me. It's just like, you see me. That's what she says. So yeah, found this on Fashion File, snapped her up, and I could not be happier. Look at that little pink. Oh, that little pink. Again, this was a holy grail. And I'm just, oh, the gold hardware. Oh my God. It's just, I could go on and on. That's the last thing. That is our haul. That is everything. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Let me know what your least favorite thing it was. Let me know like what you're like, absolutely, I would have bought that too. And like, what are you thinking like, Janae, what the hell? I'm sure there's something. Feel free to let me know. Also, let me know what videos you want to see. And I hope you enjoyed this. I think that's everything. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.